The galvanized utility tilt trailer has an 18-foot tilt deck length, 82-inch wide usable deck space, and an overall deck width of 102 inches. Equipped with a cushion cylinder, the tilt bed floats smoothly into position, allowing the operator to load or unload equipment safely. The trailer features 4 5/16-inch ratchets with 10-foot length chains that are secured to the trailer with storage compartments. General contractors or municipalities can utilize for transporting skid steers, mini excavators, or job site materials. Landscapers and hardscapers can utilize for transporting mini skid steers, lawn tractors, compactors, or a combination of equipment and materials. Operators must wear personal protection equipment, hearing protection, safety glasses, proper footwear, and gloves. To properly hook up the trailer, first check that the receiver on the tow vehicle is the same size as the trailer's coupler. Once coupled, secure the trailer's safety chains to the tow vehicle. Chains should be crossed in an X pattern. Attach the breakaway switch to the tow vehicle along with connecting the trailer's 7-hole RV electrical plug to the tow vehicle. Raise the trailer jack and retract the drop leg. Lastly, test the trailer lighting. Standing at the rear of the trailer, test the brake lights and each of the signal lights to ensure all are functioning properly. Important: before moving tilt bed for loading or unloading, make sure tie-down ratchets are turned outward and chains are clear of the tilt deck. To load equipment, the tilt bed must be lowered to the ground. Place the tow vehicle in park with the emergency brake set. Check that the trailer and tow vehicle are on level ground and the area is clear of objects or bystanders prior to tilting the trailer bed. Unlatch the tilt deck lock by pulling and rotating the lock pin counterclockwise into the lock position. Push down on the handle to unlock the tilt latch bar hook. The front of the deck will then float upward. The operator may need to walk to the rear of the trailer and manually apply weight to the tail of the trailer until it reaches the ground. With the tilt bed in loading position, the operator can load the equipment. As the equipment moves onto the tilt bed will float into transport position. The trailer must be loaded properly to ensure safe towing. Load a minimum of 60% of the cargo weight forward of the point designated by the decal shown here. Once the tilt bed has completely returned to transport position, secure the latch and rotate lock pin clockwise into the locked position. Then, using the provided ratchets and chains, secure equipment per the manufacturer's suggested guidelines. To offload equipment, place the tow vehicle in park with the emergency brake set. Check that the trailer and tow vehicle are on level ground and the area is clear prior to unlocking the tilt bed. Unsecure the loaded equipment and stow tie-downs in storage compartments. Be sure that all tie-downs are clear of the tilt bed. Unlatch the tilt deck lock by pulling and rotating the lock pin counterclockwise into the lock position. Push down on the handle to unlock the tilt latch bar hook. Slowly move the equipment to the rear of the tilt bed. The front of the tilt bed will float upward until the tail of the trailer reaches the ground. Once the equipment is offloaded, walk from the rear of the tilt bed to the front. The tilt bed will float into transport position. Secure the latch and rotate lock pin clockwise into the lock position. For complete safety and operational procedure, reference the owner's manual by scanning the QR code on the trailer's tongue. Contact your local Herc Rentals branch to rent the galvanized utility tilt trailer and learn more information.